As a single daughter of a single mother, I was always held back from traveling to new places. But here I am at the age of 22, trying to explore the culture and the food in the Mumbai with my best friend Lavina, who is born and brought up in Sion. We first went at the A1 samosas and it was very average for my taste buds. But the options and the variety they offered in a very low prices really blew my mind. I really rate their cheese corn samosa a solid 3. Next up, I came to the Guru Kripa to try their chole samosa and rasmalai.
I would say this is much better because it's not too hot. Secondly, it has a lot of spices compared to the A1 samosa, and I don't know, it's just too yum.
The chole's chutney was really sweet for my taste buds. The most banger dish of the Guru Kripa, I would say, in sweets is the rasmalai, guys. Until then, bhet you next video.